You've seen them. Robert Kwok quietly building Asia's sugar empire, Gina Rinehart turning dust into billions, and Johann Rupert mastering luxury from South Africa, or Larry Ellison buying islands. Even Oprah Winfrey still preaching gratitude every morning. But what if I told you the biggest difference between you and a billionaire isn't money, it's how they think? Welcome back to Review Daddy, where we expose billionaire habits for future billionaires. Today, I'll show you 7 mindset shifts that can completely rewire your brain to think like a billionaire, even if your account is still in survival mode. And if you stay till the end, then I have a special bonus gift for you. So, grab your notepad, let's deep dive immediately.
1. They play the long game. Most people chase quick wins, daily stock alerts, crypto hype, side hustles that promise overnight success. It's the illusion of fast wealth that keeps the majority stuck in short cycles of burnout and disappointment. But billionaires? They move differently. They think in decades, not days. They understand that real success compounds over time. Jeff Bezos once said, "If everything you do needs to work in 3 years, you're competing with too many people." That single quote reveals the mindset gap between average thinkers and empire builders. When Bezos founded Amazon, he wasn't looking for instant profit. He was building infrastructure, customer trust, and global reach. For 7 long years, Amazon didn't make a dime in profit. Investors panicked, critics mocked, but Bezos stayed the course. Today, that same company is worth over $1 trillion. That's the power of playing the long game. While others chase fast returns, true visionaries buy time. They focus on systems, brand, and innovation that will outlive trends. They know that patience is not passive, it's strategic endurance. The long game filters out the impatient. It rewards those who can delay gratification and see beyond temporary applause. In a world addicted to speed, patience becomes a superpower, the rarest currency on Earth. So how do billionaires stay patient when the world moves so fast, and how can you learn to build with that kind of vision?
They build, not chase. The rich don't chase opportunities, they create ecosystems. While most people scramble from one gig, client, or idea to the next, hoping something finally clicks, the wealthy think in loops, not lines. They design systems where every move strengthens the next. Take Elon Musk, for example. He didn't just create Tesla to sell cars. He built an interconnected empire. Electric vehicles powered by Tesla batteries, charged at supercharger stations, fed by solar energy from Solar City, all while his rockets at SpaceX aim to make life multiplanetary. Each company isn't isolated, it's a piece of a grand puzzle that feeds itself, multiplying profits and impact. This is the secret. They don't build products, they build ecosystems. You're probably chasing your next paycheck, job, or client, working in the system instead of on it. Them? They're designing frameworks that work for them even while they sleep. But here's what most people miss. Ecosystems demand courage. They require bold, risky decisions that often fail before they flourish. The wealthy handle failure not as a dead end, but as a data point. They study it, adjust the system, and try again. That's why they rise faster after every fall. So, if you want to play their game, stop hunting for opportunities. Start building environments where every action, every connection, and every idea compounds into long-term wealth, not just quick wins.
3. They see failure as tuition. To a billionaire, failure isn't loss, it's tuition at the school of experience. Every misstep, rejection, or collapse is a lesson that refines vision and sharpens instinct. Richard Branson, for example, failed in more than 15 ventures, from Virgin Cola and Virgin Brides to Virgin Cars.
Yet he never stopped experimenting. Each failure became a case study, a real-world MBA that taught him what doesn't work and why. Most people crumble after one flop, equating failure with finality. Billionaires, however, see it as feedback, a brutal but valuable mentor. They extract insights from defeat the way miners extract gold, through pressure, heat, and persistence. Every financial loss becomes data. Every public embarrassment becomes a strategy note for the next move. What separates them is not luck, but mindset. They embrace uncertainty, take calculated risks, and recover quickly from emotional hits. They understand that resilience compounds just like wealth. Every comeback builds stronger confidence. So the real question isn't how they survive failure. The question is deeper. What kind of mindset keeps them pushing through all that pressure, turning setbacks into stepping stones for success?
Now, before we proceed to number 4, here's a bonus gift for staying with me this far. I've created a free Stealth Wealth Checklist, a simple guide that breaks down the exact money habits millionaires use to kill debt and build hidden wealth. You can grab it instantly. The link is waiting for you right below in the description box. Now, back to number 4.
4. They detach emotion from money. Billionaires don't cry over money. They measure it. When Warren Buffett lost $23 billion in a single year, he didn't spiral into panic or self-pity. He laughed. Why? Because he understood something most people don't. Money is a byproduct, not a purpose. It's simply the scoreboard of decisions, not the game itself. True wealth builders treat their finances like scientists, not gamblers. Every loss is data, not drama. Every market crash is a lesson, not a tragedy. They don't take debt, loss, or delay as a personal attack. They study it, adjust, and move forward. That's emotional mastery. The quiet confidence that comes from knowing your foundation isn't built on feelings, but on clarity and discipline. While most people drown in fear when storms hit, billionaires stay calm enough to see opportunity beneath the chaos. They understand that emotions cloud judgment, and judgment shapes destiny. The richer they become, the more they realize control over your emotions is worth more than control over your income. So here's the question. When everyone else is panicking, losing sleep, and chasing quick fixes, how do the calm few find clarity in the noise? 5. They control their information diet. Your brain is a business, and what you feed it determines your market value. Every thought, idea, and piece of information you allow into your mind becomes either an investment or a liability. Billionaires don't binge on gossip, drama, or distraction. They binge on insight, strategy, and wisdom. Bill Gates reads about 50 books every year, constantly updating his mental software. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science purely from books, proving that knowledge is the greatest currency of success. They consume information like oxygen because in their world, knowledge isn't just power, it's leverage. You can't think like a billionaire if your mind is fed like an employee's. While average minds scroll through entertainment, great minds study systems, trends, and patterns. Your mental diet shapes your financial destiny. But here's the question. Even with all that knowledge and drive, billionaires are still human. What fuels their energy and keeps them operating at such an intense level every single day?
6. They treat their energy like currency. Billionaires guard their time and focus like Fort Knox. Every minute is a currency, and every decision is an investment. Mark Zuckerberg wears the same gray t-shirt every day, not for fashion or simplicity's sake, but to eliminate decision fatigue. One less choice means one more ounce of energy for what truly moves the needle. They automate, delegate, and systemize everything that doesn't deserve their attention, from emails to errands, from scheduling to strategy. Their secret isn't working harder. It's protecting their focus from the noise that drowns ordinary minds. Energy, not money, is their true engine. Money amplifies what already exists, but energy creates it. They understand that every yes drains focus, while every no builds freedom. Saying no isn't rejection, it's preservation. The result? Laser focus, limitless energy, and control over their most precious asset, time. But here's the real twist. What's the biggest secret weapon billionaires use that nobody talks about? The one hidden skill that multiplies everything else they do.
7. They think legacy, not luxury. Luxury fades, legacy compounds. True greatness is not measured by the cars you drive, the clothes you wear, or the luxury homes you own. Those things lose value the moment you stop maintaining them. Oprah built schools that continue to educate generations. Dangote builds industries that feed economies long after he's gone. Musk builds for Mars, reaching beyond Earth's limits. These visionaries think far beyond their lifetimes because they understand that real wealth isn't in what you spend, but in what survives you. While most people chase status, they chase significance. They don't wake up asking, "What can I buy today?" They ask, "What can I build that outlives me?" Legacy is the true currency of the wise, a reward that compounds in the hearts and minds of those who come after you.
So here's the truth. Billionaire thinking isn't something you're born with. It's something you build deliberately over time. It's not about luck or background. It's about developing the discipline to delay gratification, mastering your emotions, and learning to turn every failure into a stepping stone toward success. The true billionaire mindset means seeing lessons where others see losses, and maintaining long-term patience when the world demands quick wins. You don't wait to have money before thinking big. You think big so you can attract money. Start today. Think like them before you earn like them. Every decision, every sacrifice, and every mindset shift brings you closer to financial freedom. If this spoke to you, then watch Review Daddy's Billionaire Playbook right now. It's showing on your screen. Click it, upgrade your mindset, and remember, your first million starts in your mind. And finally, get your bonus gift Stealth Wealth Checklist like I promised you. Click on the link in our description box now. See you inside in the video showing on the screen now.